Hi guys, welcome to my channel. On today we are going to do another unboxing video and we are going to unbox the Lookfantastic Beauty Box for the month of August. So if you want to see what we have inside, then just keep watching. Well, today I'm experiencing another type of video. So I will do a raw video. This video, as you see it right now, it will go directly to you without being cutted anything. Like, for example, if someone will come and interrupt me, my children of course, or if the camera will stop, then for sure you'll see that there some images will overlap. But other than that, I'm doing this because first I've seen Karen, she's doing one of these videos raw, so I thought it's a good idea. And second, this week there will be 2 years since I posted my first video. Actually, it was my second video on this channel, but since I restarted my channel, and that video was also a August beauty box unboxing for Lookfantastic. That video went on unedited because I was running out of time. I was leaving on vacation, so I just let it like it is. Of course, I'm a bit embarrassed about that video. I haven't watched it since then, so yeah, there is that. But hopefully, after 2 years of experience, I will be able to do it a bit better than on my first video. So, we are noticing that for this month, the shade of the box is a beautiful coral. It's like, maybe you'll be able to see like orange, but it's an actual coral. And we are experiencing the returning of the leaflet. So yeah, I'm really happy about that. So this is how it looks inside. We have our leaflet that will tell us everything about the products inside. And those are the products. Now, let me tell you just a little bit about Lookfantastic, which is a huge online beauty retailer, and they have a beauty box that retails starting from £15 per month. They do ship worldwide and they do ship it for free. I believe you get free shipping now after the second month. If you are going to subscribe, first month you'll pay £5 shipping, and after that you'll be free shipping. But yeah, they do have 6 products in each box, and now they have started to bring variations. I believe I have the variation number 2. I think they are already on the site, the boxes and their variations. You are not able to pick a variant, and also you are not able to customize any of your products, so Lookfantastic editors will do that for you. As I said, inside the box you are getting 6 products. They are either deluxe size or full size products. They are mostly tended to be skincare oriented, so if you are mostly on makeup, you might find certain months will not be on your taste. And more informations you can find down on my description box, because I don't want this video to be too long due to the fact that it will go unedited. So, on the leaflet, we are giving the sneak peek for the month of September, which is the Elemis Pro Collagen Marine Cream, 15 ml, which retails for £30. And I have had this cream in both full size and deluxe size, and I really love it. I didn't like it in the beginning because it is heavy fragrance, but I used to get used with the scent and I love it. This is their Radiance Edition Beauty Box. Radiate positivity and feel lit from within with this August, with a little help from our Radiance Edition Beauty Box. Filled with 6 products specially curated to help you shine both inside and out. In this month's Beauty Box edit, we are bringing you an exclusive interview with Kodaly's founder and showcasing some very exciting summer beauty launches. Plus, get to know more about one of 2020's most important skincare Saviors. And this is signed by Emilia. Okay, first product that I'm seeing here on the leaflet is by Bella Pierre. Is their Cosmetics Mineral Blush in Amaretto, which worth for £15, and I believe this is a full size. So I will open it, or maybe I should give it to someone else. I'm not so keen on loose products, whether they are bronzer or blusher, especially excepting the setting powder. That one I love, but okay, let's and normally this part I should have cut it out on editing, but guys, oh my god, this is so stubborn. Okay, let's test it. Okay, it's nice. I can see myself wearing this shade. And is it matte? Of course, doesn't have any scent. I'm not sure why I'm sniffing it, but yeah, okay, I like it. So I already mentioned that this product retails for £15, and it's creamy, non-comedogenic, and recommended by both makeup artists and dermatologists. This mineral blush will bring you a healthy flash of color to your face whilst looking completely natural. Okay, the second product is by a brand that I really love, and this is by Kodaly, Vino Perfect Radiance Serum, which contains 10 ml and retails for £15.33. A worldwide cult favorite, and for good reason. This Kodaly facial serum is packed full of viniferine, patented by Kodaly's themselves and 60 times more effective than vitamin C, and is scientifically proven to lighten dark spots in just 4 weeks. Apply before bed onto cleansed skin, massaging into the face and neck. Okay, and I can see why they are putting this on the summer box, because during summer you are most exposed to the sun, so you are prone to get dark spots. Okay, I love the scent. It is some characteristic scent from Kodaly, some light, pleasant scent, and it's really easy absorbing into the skin. So this is our second product. The third product is by Ico London, and is their Black Magic Lash Alert Mascara, which retails for £10, and you could get either one of these. I'm not sure if it will be visible, but maybe like this, yeah. And I got the Drama and Curl in black. Get long and volumized lashes with the help of your Ico mascara with a curved brush to coat each and every lash with product. No smudging, flaking or crumbling, just black, fluttery lashes for up to 12 hours. Now I have another mascara. I'm not sure if it is this one or is the waterproof version, so I might be thinking to put this in a giveaway. I'm not sure yet, hence I will not open it, but I just want to show you how the tube looks like. So you have, oh, I think, so now I see that I have the silver one. Okay, I don't have this one. I don't have the silver version. I have the one in black, in blue, sorry. So, maybe I will keep it for me. Don't know what to say, because I have a lot of new mascaras due to the fact that I'm not opening more than 2 or 3 at the time, so that is down. I will see. Okay, my son is already doing some noise outside, so I might have to pause the video and tell him to go to sleep. The next product is by Ahava, and is their Dead Sea Water Mineral Body Lotion, Sickest Mineral Body Lotion, 40 ml, worth £8. And is this product here, and we could either get this white tube or the blue one. Now I'm happy that I got this one because I had before the one in white tube, which is mineral body lotion. Okay, the only difference that this is with Dead Sea water and this is the sickest lotion. So I don't know exactly what is the difference between those two, but yeah, the packaging differs, so that's for sure. And I could get maybe 4 uses out of this. So I suppose like 10 mils, maybe 15 mils, it's enough for one single application. Deeply hydrating and fast absorbing, these Ahava body lotions work to soften and smooth your skin from head to toe. Filled with minerals and antioxidants, your body will feel revitalized, refreshed and restored. Perfect for sensitive skin, free from parabens and harsh synthetic ingredients. Apply generously to slightly damp skin after a bath or shower. And I have to go to my son. Okay, I'm back. This is the life when you have to film with small children around. They have different needs that need to be fulfilled. The next product, it is by Percy and Reed. Perfectly Perfecting Wonder Balm, 30 ml, worth £8. A miracle primer for your hair. Use alone or before styling to enhance your dew. This Percy and Red Balm makes hair more manageable as well as adding moisture, shine and definition. And this is how it looks like. Work a small amount throughout towel dried hair from root to tip. Okay, maybe just to open it a bit to see how it smells like. Even though it's melt, my god, it's sealed. I suppose I can use this ASAP. Yeah, it smells like something that I'm putting on my hair, so nothing more than that. Of course, you are supposed to put this on your damp, towel dried hair, but just I want to feel it. Seems nice. Okay, and the last product is by the brand Mio, and I think I have something from them. Sun Drenched Body Wash, worth £3.15. So we had a body lotion and we have also a body wash with a delightfully citrusy scent and subtle shimmery running throughout. Deeply hydrate your skin with this Mio body wash, formulated with Indian fig extract and monk's pepper berry to give an instant soothing effect for both the mind and body. And this is our 6th and last product for today. While I was gone, I also did the math for the price of the box, and we have this value worth £59.48. I believe the second variant, or maybe I think this is the second variant. The first variant, it is a bit higher on price, and I remember it was something that I wanted there. They were having a hair mousse, and I would have preferred, instead of this body balm or no, hair balm or whatever it is, I would have preferred to have that hair mousse. But hey, I'm not the one who's making the rules here. But other than that, I'm not so excited with the Lookfantastic for this month. So we are getting a Bella Pierre Mineral Blush, a Kodaly Vino Source Vino Perfect Radiance Serum, a body wash by Ahava, a Mio body wash, and this was a body lotion, sorry, a Pearl and Reed Hair Wonder Balm, and wait, there should be one more product. Ah, yes, of course. The sixth product was the Icon Lantern mascara that I was just dropping down. So yeah, we have 6 products for this month. As I told you, there are good and bad months, but overall I'm really satisfied with my Lookfantastic. I'm subscribed to this beauty box for more than 2 years, like I have a regular 1-year subscription. I used in the past like 3 months, I had 6 months, I had monthly subscription, but yeah, now I'm having 1 year subscription and I'm paying £13 per month. But yeah, this is all. This is our August edition of Lookfantastic Beauty Box subscription. If you are subscribed to this box, please let me know what was the variant you had and whether you enjoyed it or not. And other than that, let me know how do you feel about this experiment. I know there are some people who are not doing editing at all. I care about my subscribers and I know that I am doing a lot of blobs, so I'm trying to spare you from hearing that. But it happened something really strange, that because I know that I'm not able to edit, somehow I did less blobs. So I'm not like this. Usually I'm cutting more. I have more things to cut, but now I was feeling that I do not have so many things to cut. I will probably not be reviewing what the video contains because I will be tempted to edit it. But yeah, other than that, I hope you will stick around and you will subscribe before you leave. If you do so, I will highly appreciate. And also you can follow me on my Insta, that is always linked down below. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch. I'll have 3 more unboxings for this month. I have 2 more beauty subscriptions and 1 separate box, so stay tuned to see if you are interested to see this kind of videos. And other than that, stay safe, have a blessed, beautiful day, and I'm looking forward to see you again on my next video. Bye bye! Mwah.
Okay.